Welcome to the first video of Learning Business Penmanship. Today, we will look at the basics and the fundamental principles of business penmanship. Business penmanship, or better known as just penmanship, is essentially a non-shaded form of cursive handwriting that evolved after the development of Spencerian script, which was a standard writing script of the United States during the late 1800s and early 1900s. The script is minimalistic, but it can be executed with an impeccable elegance. Traditionally, the script was penned with pointed nibs, but modern practitioners can easily use either a fountain pen or a ballpoint pen to equal effectiveness. Unless a reasonably correct position of the hand is learned, almost no amount of practice will make one a good writer. So, the position of the body, as well as the hand and pen, is of the utmost importance. Sit square in front, with both arms resting on the table, as shown in the illustrations. Do not lean too far forward or bend over your work. Keep the eyes from 12 to 15 inches from the paper. Sit close to the table, but do not lean against it. Keep the feet flat on the floor. The paper should be gradually moved forward as the writing progresses, that the arms may be held in the same relation to the paper at all times. The direct front position should be maintained. A correct position must be easy and such as will permit of free and natural breathing. With the proper body posture, hold the hand so that the wrist is nearly flat, thus bringing the pen holder over to the left so that an imaginary extension of the pen holder points about over the right shoulder. Let no part of the hand or wrist touch the paper except the third and fourth fingers, and these as nearly as possible on the fingernails. The pen holder should be held about at the knuckle. The first and second fingers and thumb should be slightly bent in, holding the pen. Okay, enough with theories now, let's do some writing. I want you to write the following sample you see on the screen with your best handwriting so you have something to look back on. In case you're lonely, I'll make my sample with you in real time. I used my fountain pen with blue ink. If you wish to know the details of my pen and ink, I'll link them in the descriptions below. It is often desirable to compare the penmanship from the time to time with our best efforts at the beginning of a course of lessons in writing. With that end in view, I ask that you keep your sample writing somewhere safe, like your fridge door. At the end of this lesson series, you will be able to spot the improvements that you have made. In our next video, we will start our journey on executing basic penmanship strokes. Thanks for following along the journey to acquire a classical script that is known as the business penmanship. If you wish to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. That's it for today, folks. Peace.